How to culture pluripotent stem cells in suspension using the Gibco CTS StemScale PSC suspension medium. Step 2. Maintenance and feeding. To feed CTS StemScale PSC suspension cultures, we recommend a daily 50% medium replacement strategy. To perform the medium replacement, swirl the plate in a slow clockwise or counterclockwise motion for spheroids to gather at the center of the well. Tilt the plate at a 45-degree angle and wait for the spheroids to settle at the bottom via gravity sedimentation. Once the spheroids have settled to the bottom of the well, remove 50% of the spent medium from the top of the well to avoid aspirating the settled spheroids. Replace the aspirated spent medium with freshly prepared, complete CTS StemScale medium without Y27632 and DNase 1. For other culture vessel formats, such as shaker flasks, a similar method can be used to replace 50% of the medium without tilting the suspension culture vessel. Once the fresh medium has been added, return the PSC suspension cultures to the incubator and place onto the CO2-resistant orbital shaker with the same recommended settings. As the spheroids continue to grow, suspension cultures can be fed daily until the spheroids are ready to be passaged. During this period, Y27632 compound and DNase 1 should not be added to the complete CTS StemScale medium. Additional resources supporting Gibco CTS StemScale PSC suspension medium are available at thermofisher.com/CTS StemScale.